there, welcome to Solo and Smart. This is Carol Marrock at carolmarrock.com. This YouTube channel is for adults at risk of aging or growing older alone. So yesterday I talked about the second pillar of the new retirement study that impacts the quality of life. And that second pillar is family. But if you're a senior without adult children, or perhaps whose children live far away from you, then family may not be an option for social connection and engagement. So what you may need to do is start looking or building your circle of friends, because you want to avoid social isolation, which is linked to heart disease, dementia, and early death. And research shows that friends are actually very important to our psychological welfare. And friends bring more happiness into our lives than virtually anything else. So friendships have a huge impact on our mental health and happiness. And friends are even tied to longevity. And there is a Swedish study that found, along with physical activity, maintaining a rich network of friends really adds significant years to our lives. But close friends don't happen overnight. Many of us struggle to meet people and to develop quality connections. However, no matter your age or circumstances, it's never too late to make new friends, reconnect with old ones, and greatly improve your social life, emotional health, and overall well-being. And friends are really a great resource for support as we grow older. So here are a few things to know what to look for in a friend when you are out and about making new ones. So a friend is someone you trust and with whom you share a deep level of understanding and communication. So a good friend will show a genuine interest in what's going on in your life and what you have to say and how you think and feel. They will accept you for who you are. They will listen to you attentively without judging you or telling you how they think or what they think about what you're saying. And they'll also make you feel comfortable sharing things about yourself as well as vice versa, sharing about themselves with you. So friendship really works both ways. A friend is also someone you feel comfortable supporting and accepting, and someone with whom you share a bond of trust and loyalty. Well, thank you for joining me today, and circle back tomorrow when I will discuss just a few more tips around making new friends. And be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and be sure to check out the description of this video below. Thank you.